just like to say, guys, hello and welcome to Benja's Bikes Restos. Today we are going to be taking a view at another new purchase. I shall turn the camera around and let you have a look. So, here we are. We have a Suzuki GS 400 Bandit carb edition. Bought it off a friend who couldn't get it running. Apparently it had no spark, which he bought all the new claws, etc. But they were too big. They come out to like here. So I've just bolted on the old ones, put new HT leads in. Think I've got them in the right order. I still got to have a look around. But this is just a quick flip and a profit. Get it going, MOT it, you know. Get it on. Got a spare fuel tank here which I need to weld up, which has got slight hole, as you can see. Just needs a bit of repair. We've got this one which I'm going to try and JB weld and retake all this crap off and JB weld it. But I shall let you know how we get on. I've also got some parts for the GSXR. I've got in the box the GSXR. We have a whole new ignition barrel, set of keys. I've got my seat lock goes underneath my seat, and most importantly I have a fuel cap. Should be all good. Nice and good fix. So yeah, try and get this one running and MOT it and go from there and see what happens. I shall get back to you and let you know.